everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. As always, thank you so much for your support. So today we'll take a look at how I made these journaling cards from index cards. Okay, let's get started. I began this project with two index cards that were placed next to each other. And then I stamped my moth in the middle, and that's how I was able to separate the two. And then I did a few other things that we will look at in a moment. So let me set these aside, and I've already done some pre-work getting things ready to keep the video moving along. So here you'll see that I have the two index cards and they are butted up next to each other. And I have my stamps that I've already laid out. And I'm going to do some initial stamping, and then I will break the cards away. So I'm using some black stamping ink. Okay, so you'll ink this up as many times as you need to get the deep color that you like. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is separate my cards, and I'll set one aside and I'll work with the other piece. So let me just clean my stamps off, and then we'll do more stamping. I'll come right back. Let me get these cleaned off, okay? Okay, so I have my stamps cleaned off, and now I want to put a little bit more on this index card. So I'm going to add this to what we've already started, and I will probably move the placements of my magnets so that they don't get too much in the way of stamping. Okay, so now what I want to do is make sure that I've got everything covered, and it looks like I do. So I am now going to grab the stamp with the top of the pad. Grab that. Okay. And get my black ink out again. And you will ink this up as many times as you like to the dark color that you like, or maybe you want something that's a little bit more faded. It is up to you. Okay, and that for me is good enough. Okay, so I have things stamped the way that I want, and with the originals that I did, I used some stencils. So I have a stencil here, and I think what I'll do is I'll put some washi tape down to keep things in place. And I'm going to use the Uncharted Mariner. I'm putting this down on an angle. you can make this as dark as you like. And I'm darker in this area, and I'm fading lightly in the outer area this way. Okay, so now I want to do the same thing on the, look how pretty that is already. I want to do the same thing on the bottom half here. So I'm going to be darker in the corner and then very light in this area. And I'm doing it on an angle. So now I want to go up the middle here, and this is the antique linen. And I'm just going to go very lightly in the white areas. Just to give a little bit more color. Okay, and then I'm going to do the edges with the walnut stain. Okay, I want to add some labels now. So I have a few here that I can add. Okay, so here is the completed index card. And off camera, I did complete the other half. And this time, I did not put any color up the middle here. I really liked how the white color bounced off the blue. So remember that these are index cards, so you can do your journaling on the back. And I really hope that you enjoyed this week's tutorial. And that's it. I'll see you all next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Okay, everyone. If you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.